Assalamu alaikum. Today I want to clear the concept of these two methods that Dart provide with sit, okay? It working with sit, okay? So now I just write here a main function, okay? And now I just write sit of integers. And now I want to give a name, okay? So here we already talked about sit. So sit is a unordered collection of unique values, okay? So I just store only 5 values here, okay? And now I take another for integers and I want to give a name num2 and I want to store 6 7 8 also here, okay? So now this retain method works that it keeps only those elements that is exist in another iterable, okay? For example, I write here num2, okay? And retain all method here you can see it a retain method, so it returns void, okay? Mean it returns nothing and it take iterable as an object, okay? It take elements, okay? So now I just provide the another iterable is this num1, okay? So num1, so what will we do this retain all, so this retain all keeps only those elements that are exist in this num1, okay? So for example, here you can see these elements is also here available and these 5 elements also here available, okay? So this num2 will holds now only those elements that available in this iterable also, okay? If I want to if you want to show me, so now this num2 I just want to print it and here you will be see only 5 elements, okay? Here you can see we can store before this method 8 elements, okay? And now it prints here you can see only 5 because this 5 elements or items all that is also available in this iterable, okay? So this is very useful. So I want to clear this concept of retain all, okay? And now here you can see the retainWhere, okay? So if I write here retainWhere, okay? And here you can see it take a function, it take a boolean, it take a function that returns boolean, okay? Boolean value, okay? So we just pass a function here. So now I just write here e if this e is greater than 4. So this function, what do this function? This function is called on every element that exists in this num2, okay? So now this this check this condition again and again on every element, okay? If this condition is true, so it uh, it retain, okay, it keep those values, okay? If this condition is false, okay, so it will be remove those, okay? So now here you can see these 3 elements is less than, so the here you can see the condition will be false, okay? So it will be removed, okay? So now I want to show you here, sorry, I don't front this, okay? Now I want to front num2, front num2, okay? So here you can see 5 6 7 8 is printed because this we just write here a function a condition remove those elements that is less than from this from 4. Okay, so it retain those element that is condition is true, and when is the condition is false, it removes those values. Okay, so I hope you will understand this concept, and for now it's enough, and see you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.